Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to include the child records in PDF automation. So this is a reference row of this. This is like a parent and child records. So I'm going to show you how to include this child records in PDF. All right. So let me show you the tables that I have. I have two tables here. Basically, this is the vehicle list. So this is composed of vehicle number and vehicle type. Then I have here the service history of each vehicle, which is the service date, the vehicle number, and the vehicle type. So our goal for today is we are going to create a report in this vehicle, and we will include the child records in that report. So take note that this child records is from the different table. Okay. So I created my trigger here for automation and then to reset the automation. So I already created it. So let's go to the automation. First, let's create our PDF. Let's create a quick PDF here. This is, let's say, reports. Okay, so I'm gonna just trigger this, say, during updates only. And we'll trigger this in vehicles table. Then what we're gonna do is I added an automation trigger. So I'm gonna just trigger this when automation trigger, let's say it's equals to yes, and save, add step, custom step. So we're gonna create a file. I'm gonna name this ports. Then over here, we're gonna customize the PDF. So let's say I'm gonna name my PDF. I'm gonna include column, let's say ID dash, then vehicle number. So let's say this is my PDF name. Mm, no, say only vehicle number. So I'm gonna just name it this. Okay. Let's say A4 portrait. Let's say A4. And then let's create our template. So just to repeat, our goal is to include this child records in a PDF automation. So let's view here. So now we already created our template. So the question is how to add this reference row here, the service history, actually it's a reference row. So this is how you gonna create a child records by using the formula ref rows, service history, which is the table, and then what is the reference? So the reference is vehicle number. So now, okay, so this is the PDF R template. So I'm gonna just here is the service history. So this is the ref rows that I created. This is the virtual column in the vehicle, which is I created. So we need to have the details of that. So over here, I can just uh, copy this. Uh, let's say delete this, I mean. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the expression called start and end. So first we're gonna create a table. Let's say a table here. So this is the vehicle name, service date, vehicle name, vehicle number, and that's it. So I, so this is service date, then vehicle number, then here is vehicle type. So just to show you in, so this is the table for the service history. So it includes the date, this vehicle type, and the vehicle number. Then here, what we're gonna do, we're gonna use the expression called uh, start, then put this, then you're gonna use what is the virtual column that you created, which is the ref rows. So the ref rows is this one. So you can just copy this and put it there. Okay. Then use this. Then what is the first uh, service date? So here, if you go to the app, so this is the service date column. You have to include it. So this is service date. Make sure you do like this and ends with this. Okay. Then here is vehicle number, and here is the vehicle type in service table. Yeah. Then end. That's all. So maybe this one I can just title this as, let's say, vehicle reports. Okay. That's it. That's how you're gonna generate it. Then we done for our PDF. Let's test the automation. Yeah. So let's save. Okay. Then here, let's test. If we did not see any error, then we are all good. Okay, so no errors here. So when we execute and then go to our drive, this normally saves here. So what is the name of your app? It saves here. And there is files here. So it should execute the, so here we created the PDF. So let's see if it's added the child records in the PDF. As you can see, the child record is added. So let's try it in the app. So let's see, I'm gonna choose the Nissan Patrol. Oh no, it's in the vehicles. Nissan Patrol. So this is the history of the service. If I want to trigger this automation, so I have it here, automation trigger. So I'm on trigger PDF, and then when I go here, it should say yes. Then it's yes, and then what? If it's yes, it should be created a PDF. So here, so this is the vehicle reports for Pajero or Nissan Patrol. So this is how you include the child records in the PDF. As you can see, if if it's a lot of child records, this PDF automatically generate a line here. All right. And the question is how to link this PDF in this specific row. So if you want to link this PDF, I already created a video for that, like few days back. I can the link at the description so you can watch it and learn how to link this PDF from the Google Drive to AppSheet. All right. So if you learned something in this video, please don't forget to subscribe or comments, or if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section, and see you next time in my next video. Thank you so much.